The 2 by 2 hot chocolate. You will never forget this recipe. We will serve it 2 ways, first with marshmallow and the second with the salted sticks. This recipe is very easy to make and very delicious. Yalla to the kitchen. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder to 2 cups of milk. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar with an optional 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. It's very easy: 2 milk, 2 cocoa and 2 sugar. Mix it very well with the whisk until you see no lumps in it. Pour the hot chocolate mix into any pot or any casserole you have. We will put it on low to medium heat. Once it's hot and it starts boiling, you can stop. You don't need to boil it very much. Stop when it's hot like this. Put some hot water into the cup to preserve the heat from the hot chocolate when it's poured into the cup. Now you can taste the easiest and most delicious hot chocolate. It's very simple and it's smooth. It's not too thick and not too runny. You can decorate it with whipping cream or the cream we call ashta. It's very delicious on the top of hot chocolate. I recommend you to try the salted sticks or bâton salé with the hot chocolate. And don't forget your favorite coloring book when you drink the hot chocolate. You should always create your own mood and enjoy it even with a small drink at home. Don't forget to tell me your opinion when you try the salted sticks with the hot chocolate. And now for the sweet sticks. Put the marshmallow into the cup like this and then pour the hot chocolate over it. This way you will treat the marshmallow like sticks. You will dip the marshmallow in the hot chocolate and you will eat it melted like this. Both ways are very delicious to serve with this simple and easy hot chocolate. Try this recipe and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.